This is a brief introduction to the PigVision mobile Sows app from Microsoft. Here you can see the main data entry options from the main screen. We're going to click on farrowing. It shows you all the animals due to farrow. If we want to enter data, we can click on the number we want to enter. Here I'm going to click on 939, and you can then see its last event was served 122 days ago. It's had a gestation period of 114 based on the 8th of the 4th. If we want to adjust that, we can press the plus button to go up the dates to the 10th, or we can click into the date and actually choose it from a calendar. We're going to choose the 12th, click on OK at the bottom, and then the live-born piglets, the stillborn, we can adjust by pressing plus or minus. So we're going to move that down to 13. We can adjust the stillborn to 1, and if we want to save this farrowing event, we just click the option at the bottom, Save Farrow Event. Or if we want to enter a piglet death at the same time, we're going to click on the piglet death icon at the bottom, and now you can see the farrowing has been saved, and we can move on and add in a piglet death for the 16th of April. We're going to choose 2 piglet deaths, and we're now going to choose the reason, and we're going to choose laid on. And at the bottom, to save the piglet death, we're just going to click on the button at the bottom, Save Piglet Death, and then we're back to our farrowing list, and we can now go on to the next animal. We've also got the option for the same sort of data entry options for service and for weaning. We can also look into animals in more detail through the All Animals option, so we're going to click on that, All Animals. Here you can see I've got a filter based on first parity and second parity animals only, and you can see at the top there it shows you in brackets 142 of them. If I get rid of the second parity animals by clicking the X, you can now see it goes up or down. As you can see, we've now got 62 first parity, and then we clear all filters, and this is now all animals is 285. So to show you how the filters work, we click into filters, and you can now filter by these options down here by location, by parity. So you can click in there if you just want to see parities 1, 2 and 3, you've got those selected. If you want to choose, let's say, by sow state, so you just want to see lactating animals by parities 1, 2, 3, that's what it will do, and you just click at the bottom, apply, sort and filter, and you can now see 29 animals who are parities 1, 2 and 3 who are lactating, and you can then obviously go on and enter any events against those animals if you wish. The final option we'll look at is the synchronization screen. So we click on the arrow at the top there, and you can now see previous synced items. This is what was done yesterday. The served animal R2056, and here are these 2 bits of information we entered earlier, the farrowing on 939 and the piglet death. We've got 2 options here. If we swipe our screen to the left, we can choose the bin icon there to get rid of it, or if we tap on it, we can then see it, the event that's been entered, and we can adjust it if we wish. So you can go plus or minus if you want to. And then we click back to our main screen, and that is a quick look at the PigVision mobile app for Sows from Microsoft.